This is a ST16 wiring harness video. This red cable here went to the battery. This one over here went to the starter. This is basically just to show you how to hook this up if you ever get it all messed up or whatever. This goes to the neutral safety switch, which I could not get off the tracker. It's the only thing that does not attach this wiring harness. That and the stator, which I could hook up, but I don't need to. As you can see how the wiring harness is hooked up, this goes to that clutch engagement to the mule drive safety switch. And obviously the ignition switch, the amp gauge, and you can see how the amp gauge is supposed to set. So then the two that comes off that, the one that goes to the B, which is the center one, these are both A, which that goes to the stator. Both of them right there go to the stator, and then the one goes right to the ignition switch. Then it goes on to a fuse, which this is only for like the light switch, and it goes on to the light switch and comes off that, and this is the hot that goes to the headlights. This is the one that goes to the tail light. This harness here bolts to the block of the engine and then goes to both negative on the headlights. And that's both positive headlights. So if you ever have a problem on trying to hook up the ST16 Sears, this should really help you. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this is the stator. This is the 10 amp stator that plugs into this, off the engine behind the flywheel. I think that about covers it.